Okay, hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. We just finished doing the actual LED strip. The customer installed the strip by himself, but he just wanted us to do the wiring. All the wiring is done properly. Had to actually tape everything up here, goes around here, all the way to this side here and that side here. We didn't just chuck the wire there. Nice and neat, if you look, all nice and tidy here. Takes longer to do it, but it's always better to do it the right way. Alright, put the left hand side indicator. That's a left hand side indicator. Right hand side indicator. Okay, parking light. Parking light, yep. Hit the brakes. There's the brakes. Alright, this car's all done. Alright, brakes off. Brakes back on. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.